the Purge Trooper. Have you seen any Jedi Knights?
Just kidding, you guys. This is Zach, and today I just got my costume for Halloween. Got 2 of these pauldrons, by the way. Not sure if I'm supposed to put that on top there. Hey, I've been wearing a pauldron for a while anyway. So I got 2 red pauldrons. Purge Trooper from Jedi Fallen Order. I've been wanting this game for a while, still haven't got it, but I will soon, I bet ya. Also got this nice mask. This thing I got Dollar General, so yep. That's pretty nice, and the reason I ain't wearing gloves is because they're right here. Okay, today we're going to be doing some role play so I can practice getting ready for Halloween. Halloween's next week. Already. So yeah, let's get right into this.
Okay, everyone, it's me. We are going to go do some roleplay. Let's do it. Go. You shall now see me do roleplay. Step 1. Act like your character. Step 2. The way your character does in the video game. My character looks for a Jedi and hunts him down. Okay? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do it. Excuse me, madam. Have you seen any Jedi?
Huh?
Have you seen any Jedi?
That way.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, everyone. Let's go ask these guys. Excuse me, nice man. Have you seen any Jedi? I've been directed this way by a nice madam.
This is my sister.
You don't seem to have a lightsaber. He's innocent. I'll just keep looking this way.
Okay, guys. That was so easy. Okay, so we got the first part roleplay down. Now, we need a second person. We need the person to be a Jedi. So, what can we... Lightsaber. Lightsaber. This thing... I think I'm going to use Maddie. So, I'm going to go call for Maddie. And then she can be the one using this. Guys, you know what? I'm just going to let Lucas be the one with the lightsaber. Because I'm not sure how long Maddie's going to be able to stay with the lightsaber without getting bored. So yeah, we're gonna use Lucas.
What's that behind your back? Yeah.
Okay, everyone, I think that's enough roleplay for one day. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do some really cool. We are going to check out the costume I just got and the thing I was using. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, everyone. So yeah, first thing you're probably gonna need is these black shoes. Any black shoes will really work. But I have these black shoes. I don't remember where I got them. I just know that black shoes do match well with the costume and looks good with it. So yeah, black shoes is the way to go with this costume. So get yourself some black shoes. And yeah, just get yourself some black shoes. That's step 1 for this costume. So yeah, step 1. Okay, everyone, step 2. You're going to need a black gun. Now these black guns, this black gun in general has a cool animation sound to it. Does not have a blaster sound though. Wish I had that. But Halloween's in a week, so I don't have time to get a gun that has that. Anyway though, you can get any kind of blaster / black gun will work too. So yeah, try that as well. Okay, everyone, so yeah. Next up is black gloves. Now, these black gloves are winter black gloves. You don't really need winter black gloves, but if you're wearing for Halloween, you're probably gonna... You can also pick these things up at Halloween stores, like, not winter gloves, but like other gloves. I have like gloves from a Halloween store, but I lost them. So yeah. Also, these ones are mittens, not mittens, regular gloves. So yeah, gloves. Last and most importantly, you should not forget this at all, or else you won't be having a costume. Well, this costume at least. The Purge Trooper Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order costume. I got this one from I forgot what store I got this one from, but Party City, that's where I got this one from. And so yeah, you're gonna want this one. It comes with pauldrons, the entire costume, the thing that goes around your waist, the helmet itself, and it's actually really good. Make sure you get in the right size for you. Remember, different costumes have different sizes. So yeah, pick the right size for you. Don't pick one small, too big. This one's a little big on me, but that's good, so I can grow into it. Okay, everyone, so yeah, here is our graveyard. Since you already know how to make my costume, yeah, so here's my graveyard. Pretty small, actually pretty big, actually. But here are pumpkins. You still don't have them carved. We'll probably make a pumpkin carving video. So yeah, he's got a green one. Oh, we also made a cool fence gate too. Here's Lucas's cool. Not Lucas's. All of ours cool fence gate. And yeah, that's pretty much it for out here. I mean, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the skeleton. So we have one skeleton here. We're gonna do the cross grave. There's some legs sticking out. And check over here. We have a matching skeleton with a matching grave. We have a glowing grave. Actually glows in the dark at night. And a glowing skeleton. This guy glows in the dark at night too. I'll actually record this thing at nighttime. That time's pretty soon. But here's the other thing that would be cool at nighttime. This thing. It's a little light. And this light right here shines ghosts on our house. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll be back out. Actually, I think Lucas is going to want me to show you his costume. So yeah, we'll show you his costume. And then, I'll be back when it's nighttime too. So yeah, back soon. Okay, everyone, so yeah, we won't be able to show Lucas's costume right now, mostly because it's kind of broken, but we might get him a new costume, or we might just get him it fixed, but who knows. So but here's what it looks like, kind of. Here's what it's supposed to look like. It's focusing. Focus, please. Okay, it's not focusing very well. Well, anyway, here's what the costume is going to be like. So it's like a jetpack, and he's on flames. Kind of blurry. Wish I could get this better, but for some reason right now, yeah. Okay, anyway, I'll be back when it's like nighttime, so I can show you what the ghosts look like. Okay, everyone, it's not nighttime, but I decided to turn on the ghost light for you. I probably won't be recording at nighttime, so yeah, I'm going to show you. So we have inside our garage here. I can show you the cord. There's the cord. It runs all the way over there, over to there. So yeah, that's where it runs. Runs the light. So bring up our garage here. There we go. This thing is. Where's the plug-in? Oh, it's plugged in. Okay. Now we just need to turn this on. Oh, this thing isn't turned on. Okay. That makes sense. So this thing isn't turned on. Now it is. That's turned on too. Now, close this for you. And show off what our ghost light looks like. Okay, everyone, so yeah, here's our ghost light. It's active right now. Oops, I stepped on it. Okay. It's okay? Yeah, it's okay. Alright, so, you can kind of see the ghosts. It's not totally nighttime. There's a thing. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this quick. So, fixed, and yeah. I think that might be it for this video. So I'll be inside and say bye to you guys.
Bye.
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching today's video. That was a really fun Halloween video, and bye!
Pizza.
You said bye?
Pizza, bye.
Bye!